We are proud to present ATLAS.ti 22. This new generation of the software offers a whole host of exciting tools and features. Let's take a look at some of the main things that are new in ATLAS.ti 22. You can now import social network comments about any topic you're interested in. ATLAS.ti imports Excel files generated by exportcomments.com. You can use the service for free to export up to 100 comments per link. Supported social networks are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, VK, Twitch, Discord, and Steam. Here you can see an imported social network conversation from YouTube about the computer game Minecraft. We can also conduct a sentiment analysis to easily identify any positive, negative, or neutral statements. Good news for those working with survey data, we have simplified the import process. You can import data exactly as it is exported from Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, Qualtrics, and the like. With the help of a wizard, you can decide which information should become the document name, which data should be included or excluded, which data should be transformed into document groups, and which data will make up the body of the text. Here we show you the results very briefly. The imported documents in the groups they are assigned to, and the pre-coded open-ended questions. Next, we would like to introduce you to a new development in the word clouds and word lists. You can filter by parts of speech. Here you see only the proper nouns. Or you may want to focus just on adjectives, or on conjunctions, or on pronouns. This offers an entire new way of exploring your data. And this brings us to the new concept search tool. Let ATLAS.ti find relevant concepts, review them, and automatically code them for you. The identified concepts can be viewed either as a list or as a cloud. When selecting a concept, you can see the list of noun phrases that make up the concept. In addition, the quotation reader opens and shows the selected concept or noun phrase in their context. Click on Apply Proposed Concept to automatically code all identified text segments. You see the codings immediately in the quotation reader. This way you can quickly code your text. For instance, you can use the noun phrases as subcodes and the concepts as categories, as shown here. This allows for rapid assessment, for example, by comparing the codings of documents in the Document Manager using the new visualization for code distributions across documents. Next, we would like to invite you to reconsider your approach to literature reviews using the new concept search. Here we demonstrate the Mac version, coding only the high-level concepts. Within half an hour, your literature could look like this, ready for you to immerse yourself a bit deeper. You surely have noticed it by now. Version 22 offers you new ways of organizing your codes. Let's take a closer look. You can create categories and subcodes and use folders to organize them. Let's deconstruct this code system and bring everything to the first level. First, we are moving categories out of folders, and then subcodes out of their categories. All this can be simply done via drag and drop. Let's now build it up again. We first create the categories codes. Then we select those codes that should become subcodes of a category and drag them to a code that has no coding yet. This becomes the category code. If you want to add codes, categories, or subcodes to a folder, you highlight them, right-click, and select the option New Folder from Selection. You can also create a folder first and then drag items into it. Another way to create subcodes is by splitting a code. Add labels for the subcodes, and then distribute the quotations into the various subcodes. You do not have to add all quotations to a subcode. If you don't know where a quotation belongs yet, it will automatically be assigned to a subcode with the label undecided. Here you see the results of having split the code. Another great new option is the possibility to code based on the categories. Simply drag a category code to a highlighted data segment and select one of its subcodes to code. The new hierarchical structure can also be displayed in networks. Here we have added a folder and the 3 categories contained within it to a network. Next, we add all subcodes and apply one of the layout options, such as the hierarchical left-to-right display or the orthogonal tree view. You will also find bar charts throughout ATLAS.ti 22. Let's take a closer look at the bar charts that we've come across already a couple of times in the video. In the Code Manager, you see a code distribution by document. This means that each bar represents a document, and you can see the distribution of the selected codes within this document. Here we compare benefits and downsides of a computer game across all respondents. In the code document table, you can visualize the results either as a Sankey diagram or as a bar chart. Here the analysis is based on the higher level category codes. If you want more detail, you can base your analysis on the subcodes. If you hover over a bar, you see the code document pair it belongs to. If you click on a bar, its quotations are displayed in the quotation reader. The same visualizations are available for the code co-occurrence table. If you thought that was all, here are a few more cool new features. We have revamped our machine learning models. Sentiment analysis and entity recognition are now available for all interface languages. The list of synonyms for text searches has been extended and is also available for all interface languages. For data import from reference managers, version 22 also supports the bibtext format. Combined with the EndNote XML format, this gives you an almost 100% compatibility with all reference managers. We have simplified ATLAS.ti by parting with some legacy functions that have become obsolete given the new functionalities. Further, we have overhauled the context menus so you can find and access what you need even more quickly. Throughout this video, you have also already seen the new empty state for the home screen and the new icons. We have also improved performance. And we have added a new support channel. You can now chat with our support team live. That means whenever a question or a doubt comes up, you can just open the chat and speak with us in the moment in real time. The ATLAS.ti web version is constantly being updated, but there are some special goodies that have also been released with the new desktop version. You can now create a pie chart and generate a tree map of code distributions. That was a quick look at just some of the new features of ATLAS.ti 22. Try it out yourself with the free trial version or upgrade your current license. You can find links and more information in the description below. We hope you enjoy ATLAS.ti 22.